If you want to change the country or the region of your Samsung account on your tablet, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now to change the country or the region of your Samsung account, first of all, just open the web browser app on your tablet. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just open this website. And after you arrive on this page, then just tap on sign in and sign into your Samsung account. Now if you're already signed into your Samsung account on your tablet, just tap on sign in with device. Or if you want to change the country or the region of a different Samsung account which is not signed into on your tablet, just select sign in with your account ID. Since I'm already signed into my Samsung account on this tablet, so I will select sign in with Galaxy device. Select OK. Now after you do that, you will automatically sign into your Samsung account, just like that. Now from here, just tap on profile. Now just scroll down and tap on edit personal information. From here, just tap on country or region. And from this list, just select your region. And after you select your region, then tap on change. Select not now. Now from here, just select I understand some account data might be lost. Then tap on change. And after you do that, you'll receive an email from Samsung on your email account. Just tap on go to inbox. Now from here, just sign into your Gmail account. Now just complete the sign-in process. And as you can see, this is the email which we have received from Samsung. Just tap on continue. Now if you go back to the Samsung account website, as you can see, we have successfully changed the country or the region of our Samsung account. Now if I go to the home screen, then if I go to settings, now under settings, just sign in again into your Samsung account. Just tap on sign in with Google and select your Gmail account. From here, just select the terms and conditions, then tap on agree. Now under the Samsung account settings, if I tap on personal information, as you can see, we have successfully changed the country or the region of our Samsung account. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.